Memorial Day honors the men and women in the U.S. military who died while serving our country. While coins are forms of currency, they also represent our country's patriotic ideals. As such, buying gold and silver coins can remind future generations of America's hard-won freedoms. U.S. Money Reserve is the only company to offer the first legal tender coin series that commemorates the 75th anniversary of the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor. This World War II tragedy, which occurred on December 7, 1941, killed more than 2,400 U.S. soldiers and civilians, and prompted the United States to declare war against Japan. The Pearl Harbor coin series includes the first 24-karat gold bullion coin commemorating Pearl Harbor, the 1-ounce Pearl Harbor silver bullion coin, and the Pearl Harbor Proof gold coin set. Our Proof American Eagle gold coins pay homage to an enduring symbol of American freedom, the bald eagle. As part of the exclusive Reagan Legacy Signature Series, these coins also pay tribute to a true American patriot, President Ronald Reagan, who authorized our nation's first Proof Gold American Eagle coin with the Gold Bullion Act of 1985. Each coin label is hand-signed by President Reagan's eldest son, and the coins are sonically sealed in a tamper-proof plastic case to protect their condition and design. The 1-ounce Mint State Silver American Eagle coin bears one of the most popular designs the U.S. Mint has ever produced. Initially released in 1986, this coin combines the storied past of American currency with modern minting technology. A walking Lady Liberty appears on the front of the coin. A heraldic eagle appears on the back. Each coin is certified museum quality MS-70 or near-perfect MS-69 and sonically sealed in a PCGS certified coin case. This Memorial Day, we encourage you to honor the men and women who lost their lives fighting for America by bringing home a piece of history that can be passed on to future generations and used to start a conversation about patriotism, freedom, and what it means to be an American. Call U.S. Money Reserve today to get started. Click the link in the description to download your free gold information kit, which will provide you with important information you should know about diversifying your portfolio by purchasing precious metals.